In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to walk you through your Times overview. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise or your location selected, then click on Time. You should arrive at your time overview. In the top left corner, you will see your counts. Right now, there are 2 open shifts, 0 unresolved errors, and 0 shifts over 24 hours. If I clicked exceptions, that would take me to the page dedicated to exceptions. In the first chart, you can see the total regular hours worked for this day so far are 34. There is no overtime, no premium, no leave, no holiday hours, no break hours, no rest break hours, and no unpaid time. If I scroll down, the second chart is the attendance. There were 2 people called in who were not scheduled. There were 2 absent employees. No one clocked in early. No one clocked out late. 1 person clocked in late, and no one clocked out early. There was also no one who had too much time on this day. If I scroll back up to the top, you can change the day by using the forward or backward arrows or choosing the calendar icon. If I go back to yesterday, you can see there were a total of 40 hours worked and 1 unscheduled employee. That is your time overview. Check out the next video to learn how to set up the views for your review sections, such as who was clocked on and who was clocked off for a given day.